This slot machine is pouring out gold coins only to drop them straight through a hole in the floor. This is the reality of trading stocks while carrying credit card debt. At 22% interest, the cost of that debt cancels out your investment gains before your portfolio has a chance to compound. Most people feel a natural urge to skip the foundational steps and jump straight into a taxable brokerage account. Chasing a hot stock is exciting. Building a foundation is not. To avoid the trap of uncompensated risk, we use this, the sequential filter. It is a mathematically optimized 7-step order of operations for every dollar you earn. By pushing your income through this strict sequence, you maximize your lifetime returns while systematically neutralizing the financial risks that derail most investors. Wealth isn't usually lost through a lack of market knowledge. It's lost because capital was deployed in the wrong order. Level 1 is the emergency fund. You start by securing $1,000 as quickly as possible to cover minor disruptions, before gradually scaling that up to a full 3-month buffer of living expenses. This chart highlights the impact of that first milestone. Vanguard data shows individuals with $2,000 in emergency savings reported financial well-being scores 21% higher than those with nothing. It's the largest boost linked to any measured financial factor. This fund acts as a mechanical circuit breaker. It ensures that when an unexpected expense arrives, you aren't forced to sell your investments at a loss or take on new high-interest debt to cover the bill. Level 2 is the employer match. This split screen compares a 22% credit card penalty against a company match. Matching guarantees a 100% immediate return. Contributing $3,000 to unlock a $1,500 match yields returns nothing else can beat. Take this free money first. These first 2 steps create an unbreakable baseline. You have liquid cash for emergencies, and you've captured your employer's maximum contribution before exposing your own money to market risk. Now we enter Level 3, high-interest debt. We define this as any obligation charging more than 8% annually, primarily credit cards and high-interest personal loans. To clear this efficiently, use the avalanche method. Pay the minimums on all accounts, but direct every spare dollar to the debt with the highest interest rate first. This graph shows the cost of delay. A $5,000 balance at 22% interest costs nearly $2,800 in interest alone over 5 years, making only minimum payments. By paying this off, you effectively lock in a guaranteed 22% return on your capital. Toxic debt functions like a drag on your net worth. Eliminating it is the highest-yielding, zero-risk investment a person can make. Once the toxic debt is gone, we enter the tax optimization zone. This is where we use specific account structures to shield your growth from the IRS. Level 4 is the individual retirement account. We prioritize the IRA over further 401k contributions because it generally offers lower fees and a much wider selection of investment assets than a standard employer plan. Your choice here depends on your current bracket. You can take the Roth path, paying taxes now to enjoy tax-free withdrawals later, or the traditional path, taking a tax deduction today and paying the bill in retirement. Level 5 is the Health Savings Account, or HSA. While often viewed simply as a way to pay for doctor visits, the HSA's unique tax structure makes it one of the most effective long-term investment vehicles available. The HSA offers a rare triple tax advantage. Contributions are deductible, internal growth is tax-free, and medical withdrawals are tax-free. By paying current medical costs out of pocket and saving receipts, you allow the HSA to compound tax-free for decades, creating a massive capital pool for retirement. Level 6 is maxing out your 401k. With your IRA and HSA filled, you return to your employer plan to utilize the remaining contribution limits for the year. Fully utilizing this zone can shelter over $35,000 annually from current taxes, significantly accelerating the rate at which your wealth compounds. Finally, we reach Level 7, taxable investment accounts. While most beginners want to start here, in a mathematically optimized system, this is the final destination for overflow capital. This comparison shows why the order matters. Over 30 years, a tax-advantaged account could grow to $944,000. In a taxable account, the constant drag of taxes on dividends and capital gains can reduce that same investment to just $700,000. The value of the taxable account is its flexibility. Because there are no age-based withdrawal restrictions, this capital serves as the bridge for early retirement or major purchases. The sequence is simple: emergency fund, employer match, high-interest debt, IRA, HSA, maxed 401k, and finally, taxable accounts. Lasting wealth isn't built by finding the next hot stock. It is built by strictly executing the foundational math and ensuring every dollar follows the most efficient path possible.